Seth is the protagonist of the novel. She escaped slavery from a plantation called Sweet Home. She lives in the house named 124, a house on 124 Bluestone Road, but referred to only as 124, which is believed to be haunted because she killed her infant child. Her two sons have fled because of the haunting, and she resides in the house with her daughter, Denver. She is motherly and will do anything to protect her children from suffering the same abuses she had when she was enslaved. Set is greatly influenced by her repression of the trauma she endured. She lives with a tree on her back, scars from being whipped. Her character is resilient, yet defined by her traumatic past. The opaque understanding of Beloved is central to the novel. She is a young woman who mysteriously appears from a body of water near Seth's house and is discovered soaking wet on the doorstep by Seth, Paul D., and Denver. On their return from visiting the fair, they take her in. It is widely believed that she is the murdered baby who haunted 124 as the haunting ends when she arrives, and in many ways she behaves like a child. Morrison herself stated that the character Beloved is the daughter Seth killed. The murdered baby was unnamed. Her name is derived from the engraving on Seth's murdered baby's tombstone, which simply read Beloved because Seth could not afford to engrave the word dearly or anything else. Beloved becomes a catalyst to bring repressed trauma of the family to the surface, but also creates madness in the house and slowly depletes Seth. Paul D retains his slave name. All the enslaved men at Sweet Home were named Paul. He also retains many painful memories from enslavement and being forced to live in a chain gang. It is said that his heart is kept in a tobacco tin as he continuously represses his painful memories. Years after their time together at Sweet Home, Paul D and Seth reunite and begin a romantic relationship. Denver is Seth's only child who remains at House 124. Isolated from her community after Beloved's killing, Denver forms a close bond with her mother. Upon Beloved's arrival, Denver watches as her sister's ghost begins to exhibit demonic activity. Although introduced as a childish character, Denver develops into a protective woman throughout the novel. In the final chapters, Denver fights not only for her personal independence but also for her mother's well being, breaking the cycle of isolation at House 124. Baby Suggs is the elderly mother of Hal. Hal works to buy her freedom, after which she travels to Cincinnati and establishes herself as a respected leader in the community. She lived in 124, where the majority of the novel takes place in the present time. After Seth's act of infanticide, Baby Suggs retires to her deathbed, where she develops an obsession with colors. Seth inherits the house after her death. Hal is the son of Baby Suggs, the husband of Seth and father of her children. He and Seth were married in Sweet Home, yet they got separated during her escape. He is not in the present of the novel, but is mentioned in flashbacks. Paul D was the last to see Hal, churning butter at Sweet Home. It is presumed he went mad after seeing residents of Sweet Home violating Seth. School teacher is the primary discipliner, violent, abusive, and cruel to the people he enslaved at Sweet Home. He eventually comes after Seth following her escape but is unsuccessful in his attempt to recapture her and her children. Amy Denver is a compassionate young white girl who finds Seth desperately trying to make her way to safety after her escape from Sweet Home. Seth is extremely pregnant at the time, and her feet are bleeding badly from the travel. Amy saves Seth's life, nurturing her back to health. Later, Amy delivers Seth's daughter on a small boat, and Seth names the child Denver after her.